Yeah, now good morning everyone. See, now I am discussing the questions which I have got as doubt. So let us move to the first question. The question is already written. Now, coming to the solution of that, before I go to the solution, I need to draw the diagram of that. So, to draw the diagram, I am taking one base which is the x meter, and let this be A, this be B. Now he is saying that the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30, and the angle of elevation of the top of tower from the foot of the building is 60. The tower is 50 meter height. So I will have So now this angle is 30 degree, this angle is 60 degree. So let this side be H and this capital H. Now capital H is equal to 50 meter because it is already given. So I have taken ABCD. Now he is saying, see, given what I am given, height of the building, height of tower equal to H, which is equal to 50 meter, and height of building equal to H meter. Now in triangle ABC, tan 60 will be equal to AC upon AB. So tan 60 means root 3, AC is 50, upon AB we have taken as X. So therefore I can say X equal to 50 by root 3 meter. Now let me give this as one number. Now in coming to the next triangle, I can say in triangle ABD, tan 30 degree equal to H upon X, which is equal to BD upon AB. So 1 by root 3 equal to H by X. So therefore X equal to, see, I can compare both equations, or I can directly say here, see, using 1, can I write 1 upon root 3 equal to H upon 50 by root 3. So this will make me root 3 into root 3 equal to 50. So therefore I can say 3H equal to 50. So therefore H equal to 50 by 3. So that will come as 16.7 meter. Now second question says, coming to the second question, see, second question says two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either sides of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the length of the poles and the distances of point from the pole. So coming to the making of the figure, I can say these two, that is AB and DC, are two equal height poles and they both are touching each other at an angle of 30 degree from some point and at an angle of 60 degree. So let this point be M, and this is x meter. So this will be 80 minus x, as the hole is shown to me as 80 meter. So now here I can say let AB and CD be the two poles of equal heights h meter, and M be the point between road AB at x meter from point C. Therefore, I can say AM will be 80 minus x meter. So, now in right triangle MCD, tan 60 will be equal to CD upon CM. So tan 60 means root 3 equal to h by x. So therefore h equal to root 3x. Let me give this as one equation. And coming to the other part, in right triangle MAB, tan 30 equal to AB by AM. So therefore 1 by root 3 equal to h upon 80 minus x. So I can say 80 minus x upon root 3 will be equal to h. This is second point. But if you can see 1 equal to 2, so therefore 80 minus x upon root 3 will be equal to root 3x. So now multiplying or taking root 3 on the other side, I will have 80 minus x equal to 3x. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3x. So I can say 80 equal to 4x. So x equal to 20 meter. So now distance between M point and C point I got. Now he is asking to find h. So putting x equal to 20 in 1, h will be 20 root 3. So that is 20 into 1.73. So that will come as 34.6 meter. So this is the way how you have to solve this type of questions, and you can easily get the answers using techniques. So this way I got both the values of that. Now moving to the next question. See, there are many doubts coming, but some of them are the exact same. So I am not taking all of them. I am taking one by one the doubts, so that if one pattern I have solved, the other pattern of the question you can easily solve. Now coming to the third one, and this is a very common question asked in the papers. So A, 1.2 meter tall girl spot a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any distance is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Reduces to 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So now here again drawing the diagram. See, now it is said that 1.2 meter height girl is there. So this distance is 1.2 meter. Now let me name this as CD and this as GH. And first the angle was cited, one angle was cited at 60 degrees. So let this be 60 degree and other is at 30 degree. So let us take this as 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degrees. So now let me make this also little bit up because that line has gone little bit up. So this is A, this is E, and if I touch it down it is F. And this is B, this is G, this is H. Now I am given 88.2 meter totally. So now here if I directly do in triangle ACE tan 60 degree equal to AE upon CE. So 88.2 minus 1.2 upon CE will be root 3. So therefore root 3 into 29. See, I have rationalized the denominator with root 3 in the numerator and root 3 with the denominator. I have multiplied and then divided. So equal to CE. Now in triangle BCD, BG upon CG equal to tan 30. So I can say 88.2 minus 1.2 upon CG equal to 1 by root 3. So again doing the same thing, CG will be 87 root 3. I have rationalized it. So now balloon traveled distance equal to EG, which is equal to GC minus EC. So that is 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3. So that is coming as 58 root 3 meter. So this much it has traveled. And if root 3 value is given, we have to put it and we have to multiply it. But here in this question it is not given, so I am putting it as root 3 only. But sometimes it is given that take root 3 equal to 1.73 or 1.732. So accordingly you have to multiply that. Now fourth one says a straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of. See, if you have any doubt, you can put it in the chat. You can or if you have any sum which you want me to solve, you can put it there so that I can pick it up from the chats in the later discussion. Angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So here see, angle of depression is there, so I need to show that the observer is standing at the top of a building or a tower. So this is my tower. Now two angles are there. The smaller one 30 and the bigger one 60. So alternate interior angles are equal between parallel lines, so that I have taken A, this is B. Now think at it as 90 degree top. This is my foot. This is one car Q, one car P. So car. Here I am mentioning what it is so that you can understand. Now, so here solving directly, I am not writing all the introduction part that is given and all that. In right triangle ABP, I can say tan 30 will be equal to AB upon BP. So 1 upon root 3 equal to AB upon BP. So therefore BP equal to root 3 AB. Now let me give this as one number. Now in right triangle ABQ, tan 60 equal to AB upon BQ. So I can say root 3 equal to AB by BQ. So therefore BQ will be equal to AB upon root 3. 2. Now PQ equal to PB minus BQ. So that will be AB root 3 minus AB upon root 3. Now if I take AB common, so I will have AB root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. Now doing LCM, I will get AB into 3 minus 1 upon root 3. So that comes as root 2 by 3. Sorry. That will be 2 by root 3 AB. Now, which is equal to 2BQ. Why? Using two. So, therefore, BQ equal to 1 upon 2 PQ. So, therefore, time taken by the car to travel PQ equal to 6 seconds. It was given. Now time taken by the car to travel BQ will be half of this. So half PQ. So that is half into 6. So that is 3 seconds. Clear? Now any doubt in this? Any doubt? Now moving ahead, see to the next sum, the next doubt sum, that was, okay. See, the angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. are complementary. Prove that the height of tower is 6 meter. So now here making the diagram, see I can make the diagram in 2 to 3 ways differently. I can take, it depends on me which side I want to take where, because some of the diagrams which you are sharing, the sum of the sides are different than the actual diagram. Now see, I am making the diagram. Values may differ with that, the one which you have shared, but I am drawing the diagram accordingly. Now, see, I am taking this as A, this as B. That is tower I have taken as AB. This angle is theta, so this will be 90 minus theta because they are complementary. Complementary means sum should be 90. So accordingly I have done. Now, see, distance between them is 9 meter, so that I have shown. So now let angle APB equal to theta degree. So therefore angle AQB will be 90 minus theta degree. In right triangle ABP, tan theta equal to AB upon PB. So therefore tan theta will be AB upon 9. So 1 in right triangle ABQ, tan 90 minus theta equal to AB upon QB. So cot theta will be AB by 4. See, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So I have directly written it as cot theta. So now this is 2. So now I am multiplying 1 with 2. So LHS will be tan theta into cot theta, which is equal to AB upon 9 into AB upon 4. So now see, tan theta and cot theta will get cancelled because both are reverse of each other. So I can say 1 equal to AB square by 36. So therefore AB square equal to 36. So therefore AB equal to 6 meter. So I proved that it is 6 meter. Now any doubt in this sum? Any doubt here till here? Okay. So now moving ahead, see the next sum. Your sum only I am taking. Kid's story. So see, the next sum says the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points P and Q at distances of A and B respectively from the base and in the same straight line. with are complementary. Prove that the height of tower is root AB, where A is greater than B. So, here I am taking AB as a tower, A, B, this is H, this is Q, this is P. This is theta, this is 90 minus theta. Now, let AB be the tower of height H meter. Let P and Q be the given points in the same straight line with foot B of the tower. Let BP equal to A and BQ equal to B. Angle APB equal to theta and angle AQB will be equal to 90 minus theta, complementary. So, in right triangle APB, tan theta will be H upon A. So, H equal to A tan theta. That is 1. Now, same way in right triangle AQBA, tan 90 minus theta will be equal to H upon B. So, 90 minus theta means cot. So, cot theta equal to H upon B. So, now if I put H value there, so therefore H equal to B cot theta, which is equal to B upon tan theta. Now if I give this 3 number, 1 into 3, if I multiply, I get A tan theta into B upon tan theta will be equal to H square. So tan theta got cancelled, therefore H square equal to AB. So therefore H equal to root of AB, and this is only asked to me. Now coming to the next sum, that is 7th one. A tower stands vertically on the ground from a point on the ground which is 25 meter away from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 45 degree. Then the height of the tower is question mark. So now see, half of the thing I am given ke a tower stands vertically on the ground. So let us take a tower. So this will be the shape of, this is tower AB whose height is h meter, because I don't know that the height, and this is said that it is 45 degree, and the distance of the foot of the tower from the point is 25 meters. So this is 25 meter. VC is 25. So let the height of the tower be h meter. Now here using tan 45, I can say tan 45 equal to AB upon BC. So tan 45 means 1 equal to h upon 25. So therefore h equal to 25 meter. This was an easy sum according to the other sums, comparatively to the other sums. Now moving to the next one, it says the angle of depression of a car standing on the ground from the top of a 75 meter high tower is 30 degree. The distance of the car from the base of the tower in meter is question mark. So here drawing the figure, see the observer is at the top of the building or the tower. So I am watching from the top. So this is 30 degree angle it has said. So alternate interior angle will be 30 degree. Tower is 75 meter high. So I can give the name A, B and C, and I have to find X. Let AB be the tower of 75 meter and CB be the foot x meter. Therefore, tan 30 will be equal to AB upon BC. So tan 30 means 1 by root 3 equal to AB is 75, BC is unknown. So, or BC, here we have taken x, so I am writing x there. So, x equal to 75 root 3 meter. So, therefore, distance of the car equal to 75 root 3. Now, coming to the 9th question. It says from a point on the ground 40 meter away from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of a water tank on the top of tower, okay, on the top of tower is 45 degree. Find the first one is height of the tower, second one is depth of the tank, okay. One minute. So, here if I draw the diagram, it will be something like this, see. This is 40 meter. Let me give the name AB. And this is 30 degree. This hole is 45 degree. So, here in triangle ABD. Now see, B is 90 degree as tower will be standing straight. So, tan 45 equal to BD upon AB. So therefore 1 will be equal to H plus H1 upon AB is 40. So first equation I got H plus H1 equal to 40. So this I am giving it as number 1. Now in the second triangle, in triangle ABC, tan 30 equal to BC by, so tan 30 will be 1 by root 3 equal to h upon 40. So therefore h equal to 40 by root 3 meter. If I put the value 1.73, it will come 23.1 meter. So on putting h equal to 23.1 in 1, h1 will be 40 minus 23.1. So h1 will be 16.9 meter. So I got both the heights. Okay, depth of the tank. So I got height of the tower. Height of the tower h equal to 23.1 meter and depth of tank is h1 equal to 16.9 meter. Now see, 1 or 2 sums are such which are already asked, which are already there, already we have solved. See, one aeroplane sum is asked, so that is the similar to the balloon one. There is nothing difference in that. So here we keep today's class, and tomorrow also at the same time I will put a class. So in that I will be discussing trigo and triangles chapter. Bye everyone.